Hello guys, my name is Naomy Crochet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make granny square. These are the materials we are going to use. We are going to use two different colors. I'm using Winter King, 4mm hook and scissors. So let's go straight away and start. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with magic ring. We're just going to do like this, and then insert your hook and then pull it like that. So from here I'm going to chain 3. 1 2 3, and then I do, so we are going to make a double crochet like this. So this we are going to count like 2 because of these 3 single crochet that we started with. So again I'm going to make another double crochet. So after doing this, I'm going to chain 2 and repeat the same on the magic circle. 1 2, and then 3. Like this. So I'm going to tighten my magic circle, and then I chain 2 again on the magic circle. We do 3 double crochet. 1 2, and then 3. Remember, we are making granny square, so I'm going to do 1 2. I'm going to do one more. Chain 1, chain 2, and then on the magic circle I do 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. So we have clusters of 1 2 3. What I'm going to do, I'm going to tighten my magic circle like this. I chain 2, and then I make a slip stitch at this corner here. I hope you guys you are seeing like this. So we have 4 clusters. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off my yarn. So this is how it looks like. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color, and the reason why I'm using 2 strands, it's because I'm using Seagull and the previous was with Winter King. So I'm going to insert my hook here at this space, end of the spaces, and then I chain 3. So this is 1 2 and then 3. So after doing this, I'm going to make 2 double crochet. So this is 1, and then this is 2. I chain 2, 1 2, and then on the same space I make 3 double crochet. This is 1 2, and then 3. On the next cluster here, I'm going to chain 3. This is 1 2, three. I chain 2, and then this is 1 2, 3. On the next cluster again, I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then I chain 2, then I make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. So to the last, we are also going to do the same, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and then 3. I chain 2, and then I do 3 double crochet. So from here I'm going to end this with a slip stitch at this 3rd chain. So after doing this, I'm going to do slip stitches until I reach on this cluster here. So from here I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I do 2 double crochet, 2. The reason why I'm doing 2, it's because these 3 chains, they act like a double crochet. So I chain 2 again on the same. I do the same. I repeat 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2, and 3. So guys, here what I'm going to do, I'm going to make 3 double crochet on this space here. This is 1, 2, and then 3. So from here, I'm on this cluster here, I'm going to do the same, 3 double crochet, and then I chain 2, I do again 3 double crochet. So from here, this is the pattern. We are going to do 3 double crochet here, and then at this cluster we do 3, chain 2, and then 3. That's what we are going to do all around. Let's meet at the end. So we are at the end of our row 1, 2, 3, our row 3. We are going to end this with a slip stitch, and then from here we do slip stitches. We are at this cluster here. I'm going to chain 3, and then do 2 double crochet. I chain 2 again, then I do 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3. So here the pattern has changed. I'm going to do here 3 double crochet here and here, and then I reach at this cluster here. So this is 1, 2, 3, and then here we do again 3 double crochet. We are at this point here. I'm going to do 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, and then 2 chains, and then 3 double crochet. This is 1, 2, 3. So guys, this is the pattern. You can decide to leave your granny square at this point at row 3, but I've decided to continue at row 4. You can even continue row 5 and 6. So let me show you at the end how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, and that's our granny square. So guys, thank you for watching this video until the end. Continue watching. Please ensure you have subscribed, liked, and shared my video. Bye bye until next time.